Yes, what is the controversy here? The blood sample that was sent.
Regard of the only sample has been drawn by the prosecution and sent to the concerned FSL. An FSL report also come on record, in which is Exhibit P28. And as per the FSL,
No, but why is in a criminal appeal? An order was passed to this court to draw the sample in a criminal appeal.
yes, my lord, but because the FSL, the contraband, the blood sample has been drawn by the prosecution and sent to the FSL report, and FSL report has come and against the applicant. And applicant is pointed out that the reason to the collect the blood sample of the prosecutors, father.
Identification form and forwarding notes not available in the
This is a criminal appeal.
Yes, my lord.
Where is the question of taking such evidence at the stage of a criminal appeal until and unless application is moved for additional evidence?
Yes, my lord, the counsel for the applicant has pointed out before the Honorable Court that the sample is not properly collected by the prosecution.
So that is to be considered.
Consider and decided. My lord, may I kindly appreciate in order dated. Kindly see the my lord, order dated 9/9/2020. Firstly, 9/9/2020.
Just it is informed.
And this order passed by the Honorable Court and pointed out that a DNA report obtained to the victim blood for the vaginal was the found on T-shirt of the applicant. And it is also decided by the Honorable Court as earlier order passed by the 9/9/2020. And new fact come on record by the counsel for the appellant in the
इसका थोड़ा सा straight रखो. इस लेवल पे रखो. ठीक.
9/9/2020 order. Kindly see.
9/9
2020 2020. And kindly see the last para. And court observed that the court below, on the basis of the DNA report, obtained that the victim blood from vaginal was found on the T-shirt of the applicant.
The appellant was convicted
on the specific portion.
Just a moment.
Yes.
So 7 years. Well, counsel to the appellant submitted the appellant is responsibility stated. Convicted solely based on the underlying statement of the witness. The said witness did not support the prosecution. For the court, the DNA test was not conducted by the said. Whereas, court below, on the basis of the DNA report of finding. Yes, that's better. Victim blood was. The DNA test has already been performed.
Already been performed and Exhibit P28
shows that the blood on the T-shirt of
the applicant
is the victim's blood from her private part. And that has been proved in the DNA test.
Yes.
So what is the problem?
Yes. Which doctor, when taken the blood sample of the prosecution, no document available in the record.
Well, that is something
that is necessary to fill the form of identification.
That is to be argued as a matter for argument. Why was the blood taken of the prosecutrix again? When was that order passed?
Yes, ma'am. Firstly, one of the sample taken to the prosecution and sent to the FSL. An FSL report has been come on 5/9/2016. And FSL is positive. Thereafter, the blood has been taken by the prosecution and sent to the DNA report. And DNA report has been come on the record and DNA report has also been positive.
There is no additional, separately a sample was not taken from here. After the appeal was being heard,
Yeah.
was another sample taken and sent.
No.
It is only on the basis of arguments of the basis of record.
Yes.
Is it not? All that you need to find out is what is the DNA report say.
But sample already taken in the during the
Trial.
trial.
Yes.
And
No.
the report also will come on Exhibit P28 is kindly see the
Sample was sent to the FSL laboratory after 2.5 years of the crime.
That is, it's a DNA test, even if it is sent after 2.5
the
years.
prosecutor is aged about 2.5 years. And he's a minor.
Yes,
And he
but
is
there is
the father of the prosecutors. And what the kindly see the fact of the case, my lord.
Let's look at the. It's a perfect match.
Perfect match. And date of incident is 31st of August 2016 and the 1/9/2016 FIR was registered and the article sent to the FSL and FSL report come on 5/9/2016 after 4 days. Thereafter one of the article sent to the DNA report also. DNA report has been come on record.
When was the blood sample sent for the test?
Well, first sample
Ah,
collected by the prosecution
sent on.
uh,
When was the first sample taken?
पहला तो हमने देख लिया पहला कब सेकंड
The date of the incident?
31st of August 2016 अरेस्ट हुआ है 5/9/16 को 5/9/16 अरेस्ट ऑन 5/9/16
जब शुदा माल था जनाब 1/9/2000 को प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 6 हिसाब से कोर्ट के चक्र से कोई वैसे करते जैसे sample but take it but it's failed. But now that's
सैंपल फर्स्ट सैंपल ड्रॉन ऑन 14/9/2016 गांधी मेडिकल कॉलेज भोपाल
article O, sample of article O, when taken, there is no any record.
ये है ना सब है
HI3
And article O is concerned मतलब that is my explanation. पहले तो सैंपल ले लिया था उसके बाद एक आर्टिकल का जब क्वेश्चन आया तो उसको फिर उसका ब्लड सैंपल लेके वो जो रिजर्व किया था उसको फिर हमने सेकंड उसमें ओ में भेज दिया
ये 2 साल बाद है ये
हाँ
Trial court के
एक
पास
पीड़िता दिव्या जिसमें पीड़िता अंजलि का ब्लड सैंपल
तो फर्स्ट ब्लड सैंपल हैज बीन टेकन thereafter was one article also in question put before the trial court thereafter one of the prosecution again the called the report of the DNA
लेकिन 2018 में मतलब जब कब हुई थी ये आर्टिकल्स जो भेजे गए थे वो जब कब
ये आर्टिकल जब हुए हैं उसमें दिया मैंने अब चार्ट दिया है वो आर्टिकल्स उसमें सी
हाँ यस इसमें है
उसमें लिखा हुआ है सर
दिना
सर ये
9 2016
1916 2916 2916 2916 31st August 2016
तो 2 साल तक रखे क्यों रखे हैं इसको साथ
नहीं सर ऐसा नहीं
you see the FSL report shows
ऐसे पर
that they
FSL
received the articles in 2018
5/9/2016
कार्यालय पुलिस अधीक्षक रेल हाँ आपके उपरोक्त संदर्भित पत्र सुवंशों के अनुसार पीड़िता की व्यवस्था को डॉक्टर अनुराग तोमर गांधी मेडिकल कॉलेज भोपाल द्वारा रक्त सैंपल लिया जाकर रिजर्व कर दिया जिससे जब कर थाने में सील बंद थाने की सील वो सील बंद का प्रदर्शन वो देखकर बट व्हाई वाज इट जब कब हुआ 2018 में क्राइम है 2016 का
वो 18 में इसलिए लिया क्योंकि ये प्लेटफॉर्म में रहते थे पूरे फैमिली के साथ जब इंसिडेंट हुआ तो इनको हॉस्पिटलाइज किया गया हॉस्पिटलाइज से जो उसकी मदर थी और प्रोसिक्यूटर थी वो कहीं मिस हो गए उसके बाद फिर प्रोसिक्यूशन ने उनको सर्च किया, जब वो 2018 में मिले तो
कौन मिसिंग हो गए?
प्रोसिक्यूटर से उसकी मदर,
हाँ,
ये सो कॉल्ड फादर तो जेल चला गया और ये वहां से गायब हो गए। हॉस्पिटलाइज थे प्रोसिक्यूटर्स और उसकी मदर थी हॉस्पिटल में, दोनों। फिर वो बच्ची को लेकर उसकी मदर गायब हो गई। फिर 2018 में जब प्रोसिक्यूशन ने उसको सर्च किया, जब वो मिली प्रोसिक्यूटर्स, तब उसका ब्लड सैंपल 2018 में ड्रॉप।
अपील कब का है?
ये अब इंसिडेंट तो सर 2016 का है,
16 का
2016 का इंसिडेंट है, 31 अगस्त 2016।
2016 को क्या क्या जब्त किया गया था?
मानो 2016 को सर एक जो प्लेस ऑफ इंसिडेंट है वहां से एक
ये
खून आलूदा
प्लेटफॉर्म पे
कॉटन,
इटारसी डाल दे तब
खून आलूदा कॉटन जो है प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 6 से, ये है सर आर्टिकल्स में सारे बता देता हूँ। 19
कॉटन का कंट्रोल सैंपल बी
1916
इटारसी छोड़ पीड़िता का तुरंत तो एमएलसी तो हुआ ही था।
हाँ एमएलसी हुआ, एमएलसी हुआ था, एमएलसी
खैर,
एमएलसी किया था डॉक्टर।
ट्रीटमेंट करती।
एग्जिबिट B4 है एमएलसी रिपोर्ट, डॉक्टर बरुणा फाटक PW5।
अस्पताल से कब गायब हुई है?
डेट मेंशन नहीं है सर, ये उनका वहां से रिपोर्ट आने के पहले, लेकिन वो चली गई थी फिर वहां पर।
आयो कौन था उस वक्त? क्या
उस
नाम?
समय आयु थे मिस्टर
हेमंत श्रीवास्तव।
हेमंत श्रीवास्तव PW11।
हेमंत श्रीवास्तव। ये गायब कब हुए? When did they go missing? तारीख? Being prosecuted under mother.
That is not mentioned in the record.
How do you know that they went missing? And when did she give her statement before the trial court?
Before the trial court is
The mother and the prosecutor would not have given a statement.
Yeah, I have got it. Oh, in record. कब आई? ये 4/8/2017 मनोज भादुरी का रिपोर्ट है।
4-2?
डॉक्टर जो मतलब ये आया इसका 4/8/2017।
4/8/2017. The mother testified before the trial court.
Before the trial court. 4/8/17.
The original record. So it was, this blood sample was taken during the course of the trial.
During both of the trial. Yes, that is admitted.
Was there a supplementary charge sheet that was filed?
No, Manu, just supplementary charge sheet.
So how was the?
Only the report submitted before the trial court.
No, but if there was no supplementary charge sheet, how was the evidence taken during the course of the trial? It could have come in the category of further investigation, but then there should have been a supplementary charge sheet because that was not evidence at the time when the charge sheet was filed.
But Malud, generally during the trial, Malud, if the DNA report has been come on record,
They will never say. The DNA report itself, you see, after the trial commences, this part of the blood sample was taken during the course of the trial. The trial had already commenced.
trial already commenced.
The charge sheet was complete, but does the charge sheet say that they are given for DNA samples have already been given and they are waiting the result?
FSL
In that
and DNA.
case-
FSL and DNA also.
No, no, FSL was right. Yes, that's right. 28/10. 28/10/2016. On that day, you had not even taken the blood sample to send for DNA. So what is the procedure itself is faulty. During the course of the trial, you take the samples of everyone and send it. What about those artifacts? Where they're lying in with the police itself? They must have been lying with the police.
But Malud,
If they were lying with the police, there is sufficient scope for contamination of the samples.
But Malud, this fact is not being seen by the honorable court. That other fact is also come on record, Malud, that the applicant has committed rape with the prosecutor's, Malud. That is admitted.
How is that admitted that she is committed rape to the prostitute?
But, as per the MLC report and the statement of the mother and other the eyewitnesses, the PW1 is the scene that the person is run away from the along with the prosecutors in the
No,
platforms.
no eyewitness.
If that be the
Yes, like,
case,
see-
if that be the case, then we don't require the DNA report.
Yes,
If you're confident that they can be, conviction of the appellant, defaults the DNA, then we can go in and examine only that part.
only that.
Because here we're not really very happy with the procedure that has been followed, that after the charge sheet has been filed, you again do something which is in the realms of investigation without even, first of all, taking the permission of the trial. It is not required, that's not mandatory. But as a matter of courtesy, it's always taken. Or the trial court has directed.
Matter is sub judice before the trial court.
Whether the trial court could not have directed under 156(3) after
156(3).
charges are framed.
Yes, yes.
That is, it is
That-
only the prerogative of the police. Police has done it, all right, no problem, but should have been filed along with the supplementary charge.
Supplementary charge.
And
And
there was
permission,
give a reason why they did not
and
take.
permission to the court.
So the other problem is, they could have taken the blood sample when the child was undergoing treatment.
Yes.
It's a very Ginadala kind of an investigation where the previous investigating officer was not really concerned.
Not,
He was not vigilant. He knows that's a case of rape.
that is a lapse of the.
And 2016, we had sufficient facilities for DNA testing.
That is in this point is lapse of the investigation.
अब ये 2 साल तक उसके जो जितने भी बच्ची के जो अंडरवेयर वगैरह सब पुलिस के पास ही था, तो 2 साल तक जब तक वो भेजे नहीं गए थे 2018 में,
सीज कर लिया था सर,
सीज करके पुलिस थाने में ही था वो।
माल खाने में। But assigned to the FSL, and FSL after the report, FSL
It was sent to FSL in 2018.
2018,
18.
16
16 में कहाँ है चिट्ठी एफएसएल भेजा है?
FSL में ही रहता है, फिर FSL से बाद में कोर्ट।
ना एफएसएल तक पहुंचा कैसे? कोई चिट्ठी होगी फॉरवर्डिंग का 2016 का,
हाँ।
वो जरा दिखा दो पहले। Okay.
16/9/2016 the
2016 those artifacts went and they remained there
remain.
in the FSL laboratory itself.
Yes, now
2018 only the blood was
only
sent
the blood sample and the mark O has been sent to the
and blood sample of the child also. Was sent in-
only the blood sample of the child. The article also the previous in the year of 2016, but the missing to the prosecutor's mother. Thereafter he was recovered and blood sample has been taken in the year of 2018 and sent to the DNA also. For DNA.
Then what is the problem? Then there is nothing wrong with the DNA report. You
There's
are under the impression that the artifacts remained in the police with the police.
documents are now examined in trial court.
Which documents?
Identification form and blood sample who and which
The
taken.
only thing is whether it could have been taken into the manner in which it was done in 2018. No supplementary charge sheet, nothing. Because the accused was always, why did you not take the sample and send it immediately? The accused was all the time there appearing before the trial court from 2016 itself.
But
This sample could have been taken.
sample of the accused cannot be taken in the year 2018.
Why? No, the sample of the accused was taken in the year 2018.
16.
Accused का?
16 में ही ले लिया था।
अच्छा, accused का भी ले लिया था 16।
सिर्फ प्रोसिक्यूटर्स के मिसिंग होने के
ओ,
कारण उसका 18 में लिया है सर।
ओ,
बाकी उसकी तो एफएसएल रिपोर्ट हमारी
हाँ समझ गया, राइट। I thought okay, हाँ तब तो ठीक है।
जो प्रोसेस है
जी।
सैंपल लेने का वो बहुत ही
स्लो।
एक्सीलेंट होना
चाहिए।
हाँ, यस यस।
आपको ये बताना चाहिए था कि किस डॉक्टर ने क्या प्रोसीजर अडॉप्ट करके वो सैंपल लिए।
बिल्कुल।
Yes, absolutely.
मैच करने के लिए पहले ये तो बताना था ना कि ये किसी तरीके से
How was the sample seen?
व्हाट इज द प्रोसेस अडॉप्ट
How
बाय द
was the sample
प्रोसिक्यूशन?
seen?
जी। वो उनको जानकारी नहीं है कि कैसे ने सैंपल ड्रॉ।
प्रूव नहीं किया।
Yes.
Yeah.
The prosecution proved to the DNA report and concerned doctor examined before the trial court.
No, it's a,
No,
आप इससे मैच कर रहे हैं जो पहले से आर्टिफैक्ट्स थे। एक, ठीक है, अंडरवेयर वाला। दूसरा, जो आर्टिफैक्ट्स एक्यूज के थे जो उसी समय 2016 में
2016 में यस
तीसरा, जो प्रोसिक्यूट्रिक्स का ब्लड है जो 2018 में लिया।
18 में लिया गया।
ठीक है। now कैसे लिया गया, water seeding किसने की to ensure that the
वो मैंने है सर, वो दिया है आपको सर।
कौन सा has that been proved? It had to be exhibited.
रोज नामजा वगैरह सारे मैंने आपको दिए हुए हैं। हाँ, ये फ्लैग लगा हुआ है।
ये फ्लैग लगा
हाँ, इसमें सारे दिए हुए हैं, कब हमने लिया है, किसने लिया है।
दिया है where इसको प्रूव किसने किया है,
Yes.
हाँ, ये
प्रूव
Before
किसने
trial
किया,
court.
प्रूव किसने किया, ये डॉक्यूमेंट जो आपने बताया कब लिया गया था, ये साबित किसने किया है ट्रायल कोर्ट क्या, एक्सिबिट किसने करवाया, has this been ever been exhibited?
Yes, that is,
अगर एक्सिबिट नहीं हुआ तो फिर इसका
document cannot be exhibited before the trial.
हाँ कर सकते थे, अगर आप कर सकते थे, you could have
Yes.
got the witnesses and examined these
Exactly.
witnesses who had produced, made these documents and got them exhibited.
Exhibited.
But this document
Not-
does
not
not
been
have,
exhibited.
not exhibited at all. So therefore, the chain of custody to blood sample लिया और उसको वहां
कब
तक
भेजा
भेजा है,
हाँ,
it's
तो
not
धोखा नहीं।
secure.
और जो-
इसका कोई इसमें ये तो sample collection से
वो वाला।
इसमें आई विटनेस के तौर पे
नहीं, आई विटनेस नहीं सर, जो PW1 है, जिसको वो मिलती है कि प्रोसिक्यूटर, फिर PW3 बताती है कि ये लेके गया था अब ट्रेन की पटरी पर। PW3 का स्टेटमेंट देखेंगे पैरा 2 में, तो उसमें क्लियर बताया जाएगा। नहीं,
और जो कि सो रहा था
नहीं, अवैधी का हुई स्टेटमेंट।
ढूंढ रहा था।
So your contention is the blood sample that was taken, the chain of custody has not been proved. आपका कहना यही है कि चेन ऑफ कस्टडी जो है, जो सैंपल बच्ची की ली गई थी 2018 में, उसका वो ठीक से ना एग्जिबिट हुआ है वो डॉक्यूमेंट्स,
Or even property which are seized by the IO, not its witness, we are not examined before trial court. Any
कौन
witness,
से आर्टिकल्स
any-
आप बताइए कौन से आर्टिकल्स की बात कर रहे
जी,
हैं?
yes, T-shirt, life teacher.
एक
Page number 40, sir.
और ट्रायल कोर्ट रिकॉर्ड,
Yes,
पेज नंबर 40,
yes, 40 T-shirt.
एक मिनट जिसमें भी अंतिम संपत्ति का विवरण,
Even the signature of IU is not also in Sweden memo.
हाँ, what is wrong with these seizures?
Two witnesses, Rizwanuddin and Azim Khan, not examined before trial court.
Why?
And memo, page number 41. Two witnesses same, not examined before trial court.
Yeah?
Two witnesses, Rizwanuddin and Azim Khan.
These were witnesses to the seizure memos. Witnesses to seizure memos not examined. आप यही कहना
Yes,
चाह रहे हैं?
yes, yes, yes.
What are their name? Rizwan?
Rizwanuddin,
Rizwanuddin.
Rizwanuddin and Azim Khan.
Not examined.
Not actually.
ये रियाज अली पिता रियाजुद्दीन है सर वो आप रियाजुद्दीन
Rajuddin पिता
रियाज अली
ये
पिता रियाजुद्दीन है
Riaz Ali.
नहीं
ये देखिए ये देखिए
अच्छा इसमें जो है वो रियाज अली पिता
इसमें गलत लिखा ये सही
ठीक है सर
I've gone up to 14 prosecution witness.
यस 40%.
इसमें से कौन सा prosecution witness ने बच्ची का सैंपल लिया? Examination.
एग्जामिन नहीं हुआ ओनली द आईयूएस सेज की
किसने सील किया, किसने लिया, किसने सील किया, कुछ भी नहीं है उसमें,
नहीं
कुछ भी नहीं.
ओनली द आईयूएस सेज वाला ने सैंपल लिया था उसको एफएसएल के लिए भेजा था
अच्छा ये दो जो विटनेसेस है रियाजुद्दीन और आजिम खान they have not been examined before the trial court.
सीजर विटनेस है सीजर विटनेस को गिवन अप कर दिया सर इसमें क्योंकि लिस्ट ऑफ विटनेस में तो इनका नाम है
वो क्यों गिवन अप कर दिया है?
और इसमें गिवन अप किया है इसने लिस्ट ऑफ विटनेस में तो नाम है उनके पास
वो 313 में कौन सा क्वेश्चन है?
313 क्वेश्चन 313
कौन
आपने 313 में क्वेश्चन देखने उसकी पूछा है
वो DNA report has been exhibited.
हाँ एग्जिबिट टू P28
313
और जो आरोपी का सैंपल डॉक्टर केलू ग्रेवाल ने लिया था PW10 में 313 में क्या आंसर दिया है आपने क्या क्वेश्चन
बता
That's it, we told them. Oh, कोई ब्लड से देखा था. या तो वो वाला बोला था या हॉस्पिटल वाला है या ये दो हॉस्पिटल. It's probably because the wife does not say that there is excellent timing. Very. This lady is we are reserving it for orders. Yes. This is the one that that we say. Because doctor needs to the people never implemented.
आजकल के
Yeah.
डॉक्यूमेंट्स इन 2018 के आज लाएंगे
यस
आप तो उसमें सारा
नहीं आज
आज सबमिट कर सकते आपने किया
जी